Unlock the secret weapon to creating UGC campaigns that actually convert by mastering the TikTok Ads Library. Let's dive into how you can leverage the TikTok Ads Library to craft killer user-generated content strategies without guesswork. Step 1. Access the TikTok Ads Library. Simply search for TikTok Ads Library online and navigate to the official page. This is your goldmine for understanding what's currently resonating on the platform. Step 2. Filter for relevance. Choose your target region and explore different categories. Crucially, start typing in keywords related to your industry or product. Think about what your ideal customer might be searching for or engaging with. Step 3. Identify successful UGC. Look for ads that feel authentic, relatable, and creatorial. Pay attention to the video format, the creator's style, their pacing, and how they're showcasing the product or service. Are they highlighting benefits, solving a problem, or telling a story? Step 4. Analyze the creative. Click into individual ads to get a closer look. Note the call to action, any accompanying text, and the overall sentiment. Is it humorous, informative, emotional? What makes this particular piece of UGC stand out? Step 5. Spot common themes and trends. As you browse, you'll start to notice recurring elements. Are people consistently using a specific sound, a popular challenge format, or a particular editing style when promoting similar products? This is invaluable insight. Step 6. Inform your own content. Now, take what you've learned and apply it to your own UGC campaigns. Think about creating content in a similar, authentic style. How can you replicate the successful hooks and engagement tactics you observed? Focus on genuine enthusiasm and authentic experiences. Your UGC should feel like a recommendation from a friend, not a polished advertisement. By consistently using the TikTok Ads Library, you can deconstruct what works, adapt those elements into your own UGC strategy, and create content that truly connects with your audience. Start analyzing today and watch your campaign soar.